Hey stylish mamas, this video is going to be on postpartum prep. Now I have some tips on what I did after my first birth that actually worked very well for me, so I'd love to share them with you. Here I am, 37.5 weeks. 2.5 more weeks to go. It is so insane how quick this pregnancy went, and I'm pretty sure it's all because I have a 2-year-old to take care of right now. The first tip I'm going to share with you are the Lactation Cookie Recipe that I used in my first round of breastfeeding with my son. Amazing cookies that I absolutely love. It helped me get through the breastfeeding process, I swear. So my mom ended up giving me this recipe. She's actually the one who made the cookies for me last time, and as she also did this time, which I'm so grateful for, because truly it really does help with the milk coming in and continual milk production. The flaxseed and yeast in these cookies help your production, and they're amazing at like 2 and 4 a.m. in the morning because put them in the freezer, and so they're freezing cold. I just remember just chomping on these things, just loving life at those times in the morning when honestly breastfeeding is just exhausting and daunting. It really did help me pull through. After delivery cooling pads, oh my goodness, these also helped me save my life. Put them in the freezer also, and every time you need a pad, you just take one out, put it on, and the stuff in them actually helps heal you with all natural ingredients, way better than just allowing it to heal naturally. So they really did work. They were a lifesaver. I get the Always Maxi extra absorbent long 8-hour pads because it's kind of vital to have these ingredients be able to sit on top and absorb in, because this is going to be pretty important after labor to have these pads so that you can absorb all the blood that's going to be coming out of you, unfortunately. I know. You want to start off with the Witch Hazel. Super important to pour that on the pad. You get this at Sprouts. This stuff's super great, certified organic, and it just really helps in the healing and the complete process of aftermath of labor, especially if you get stitches down there. You next want to buy aloe vera, like complete 100% aloe vera. Nothing with alcohol in it. You really want all natural, because the other things that could be in the aloe vera can actually not do well with down there. If you get aloe vera, make sure this is at CVS so you can get it and it's 100% pure aloe vera, or if you have an aloe vera plant, that would be even better. The last thing you need is lavender, 100% lavender oil, to put literally only 2 drops on each pad. So not that big a deal, but it is help with also calming, cooling down there as well. So this is the way you do one. You open it up. You want to make sure you keep that little plastic part on there so you can close it back up, but literally put the aloe vera, you spray some Witch Hazel down the middle, and then you take 2 drops of the lavender And you literally just take a spoon, rub it in, and then close it back up. It's literally that quick. When you're done, you place them all in freezer bags and then you place them in the freezer. We made probably about 20, I'd assume. Last time I had way more than I needed, but I think it's important you make a decent amount just in case, because you don't really know how long you're going to be in pain for and how this can help in aiding the process of relief. And honestly, that's it. These are my tips. These are 2 tips that I have that I want to share with you. And truly, that is it. So if you like it, please look at my links below. I have the link of the lactation cookies, and I have what you need for the pads, and it literally is that quick and that easy to do. So I hope that you take these tips to heart, because they really do actually help after birth. Hope you guys have a great day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. And hey, happy delivery, happy labor. Do you, because you're the most important thing. And talk to you soon. Until next week. Bye, ladies.